Jay-Z has just been hit below the belt in that legal case that was filed against him by the Alabama woman, the woman which accused him and P. Diddy of assaulting her when she was a teenager. Just on Thursday, Judge Analisa Torres ruled that the Alabama woman who was identified in the lawsuit as Jane Doe can remain anonymous in the proceeding according to the court's records. Torres also noted that the ruling may be revisited as the case progresses. She cited various details of sensitivity in the woman's lawsuit, including the allegations of abuse and also her mental health struggles and the risk of being threatened by P. Diddy for speaking out against him. And we all know the situation because earlier this month, an attorney for Jay-Z asked the court to reveal her identity, which does make sense in my humble pie, because if she reveals her identity, that allows them to paint a narrative about her as well as a person, and also to know who they're dealing with, to go back and check her records. And me, myself, too, I think that Jay-Z deserves to know the identity of the person who is effectively accusing him. Because why? It's public scrutiny. He has children as well, and he gonna have to do some explaining to his children. We all know when the case first broke, Jay-Z said, hey, this thing is a shakedown. I think they're trying to shake me for the bread. And he said it was basically a publicity stunt, trying to just get a quick payout because he doesn't want to get his reputation tarnished. So he's like, hey, I'm not gonna pay out. I'm not the rest of those celebrities that just pay when somebody make an accusation against me. We know that it all started back in October when the woman sued P. Diddy, alleging that he drugged her and assaulted her when she was 13 at the MTV Video Music Awards after party. But she amended her lawsuit on December the 8th and incorporated Jay-Z into the situation, saying that he was one of the celebrities who also assaulted her. And she also said that it was a female celebrity there at the time, which that female celebrity, if this case progresses, is going to have to be brought up into this whole situation as well. We also know that her attorney, Tony Busby, and his Busby law firm also sued Jay-Z and his entertainment company, Roc Nation, as well as his legal team, for allegedly offering a former client money in exchange for suing the Busby firm. Judge Torres' Thursday ruling also included a denial of Jay-Z's previous request to reject Jane Doe's claim against him. In a memorandum, the rapper's attorney asked the judge to dismiss him from the woman's amended complaint and strike it in its entirety. But we know when the woman went on NBC News to do an interview, most of the things that she accused Jay-Z of didn't add up, didn't line up, like the location of the party that she was at. Allegedly, Jay-Z and P. Diddy was at a nightclub during the time that she was allegedly at the party where she was assaulted. And that's why Jay-Z said that the allegations were baseless. And also her father's statement to NBC News, it just didn't add up to what she said. But Jay-Z's lawyer also said in the memorandum that the salacious allegations against Mr. Carter serve no purpose other than to harass him and to pressure him to settle a lawsuit based on false claims. But as of now, we see that the judge is saying, hey, she can go forward as Jane Doe, which makes it where Jay-Z's lawyers can't do no kind of background check on the woman because they don't know who the woman is. So that puts another spin on this situation. So this thing is about to get real for Jay-Z. But at the same time, I'm not here to prosecute the man because I wasn't there. You wasn't there. None of us was there. So we can't prosecute him nor deny the allegations that the woman's making because at the same time we still wasn't there. But we know how these things play out. We've seen them over and over again. And sometimes the things are true, sometimes the things are false. But for now, Jay-Z is in a sticky situation and he gonna have to ride this thing out. And it's kind of crazy though, because he felt like, hey, this thing is done, especially after seeing the woman's NBC News interview. He was like, who, water under the bridge, I can continue on my life. But the judge came right back around, hit him below the belt, and now he's back in the mix. It's about to get real. So in the up and coming months, we're gonna see this thing play out on live TV. It's gonna be another one of them long days, my people. Jay, it's going to be a long day. And with that, I'm going to say this is the news in you. North, east, west, south, unite from every alley and Cali, intersection and back street. Subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up on your way out the door.
Star Child, I never
seen the sunshine like this.
I never
Never seen the moon glow like
Hey yo, I
this.
never
Never seen the waterfalls like this.
I never